When Islam is dominated, it becomes a madhab. When it is dominant, it becomes Deen. When Islam is dominant, then only it is Deen. When it is dominated by some others, it becomes madhab. We were dominated and governed by the Britishers. They never prevented us from going to the mosques. They never prevented us from keeping fast in the month of Ramadan. They never prevented us from performing Hajj. But the law of the land, keep your Sharia with you. Go on reciting your Quran. Take sawab. That's all. Nothing doing. No reference to your book. No reference to your divine law. The laws will be promulgated by us. We are the sovereign. We are Britishers. We are governing. And we in India, and for that matter, in most of the Muslim countries, people lived under this system for 2 centuries, for 1 century, for half century. And that has changed their mind, their concepts, basically. That Islam is a mazhab consisting of dogma, aqidah, and modes of worship, ibadah, and some rules of eating and drinking. This is prohibited and this is not prohibited, that's all. Regarding the rest of the life, well, it doesn't concern Islam at all. You may not say these words, but what is the concept? This is the concept prevalent everywhere.